25,000 pesos ka ba for your medical emergency needs? Sa oras ng aksidente, dengue, o iba pa, may madudukot ka ba? Kung wala pa, makakatulong sa'yo to. Introducing MaxiCare eReady, one-time use emergency care coverage up to 25,000 pesos on illnesses and injuries that which requires the immediate alleviation of pain or discomfort within 24 hours. Ano naman ang emergency? An emergency is any life-threatening or unexpected onset of a condition or illness which requires the immediate alleviation of pain or discomfort within 24 hours. Ito yung mga halimbawa ng emergency cases. Heart attack, heat stroke, loss of consciousness, gastroenteritis, convulsions, dengue, motor vehicular accidents, pneumonia. Ano naman ang mga inclusions for MaxiCare eReady? Doctor services for emergency treatment, emergency room fees, medical use for immediate relief and during treatment, oxygen, IV fluids, whole blood and human blood products, dressings, casts, sutures, x-ray, laboratory, and diagnostic exams. Additional benefits pa. Meron kang free unlimited consultations with internal medicine, family medicine, general practitioner, and pediatrician sa mga MaxiCare primary care clinics nationwide. Meron ka ring free consultation with MaxiCare 24/7 teleconsult voice service. Merong discount sa Metro Dental Services, 15% discount on My Health Clinic Services, access to exclusive discounts from MaxiCare Lifestyle Partners, group life with ADDND, accidental death and dismemberment and disablement for up to 50,000 pesos. So, ito yung mga important reminders. Screenshot mo na lang. Availment procedure ng MaxiCare eReady. Step 1, go to the emergency room of the nearest MaxiCare affiliated hospital. Step 2, present your eReady and valid ID. Step 3, provider will swipe the MaxiCare eReady card o i-input nila yung e-card number sa POS nila. Step 4, provider will call the MaxiCare customer care hotline for approval and issuance of the letter of authorization. So, ganun lang kasimple ang procedure. For the exclusion and limitations, magkano ba si eReady? Para sa titanium, 1,300, platinum, 1,500 pesos. Anong pinagkaiba nila? Para sa titanium, access to all MaxiCare affiliated hospitals nationwide excluding the 6 major hospitals in Metro Manila. Sa Platinum naman, may access din sa affiliated hospitals nationwide pero included doon ang 6 major hospitals in Metro Manila. Ano-ano yung 6 major hospitals? Asian Hospital, Cardinal Santos Medical Center, Makati Med, St. Luke's Medical Center sa Global City, at St. Luke's sa Quezon City, at the Medical City Ortigas. Kung taga dito ka sa Metro Manila, I suggest to go for the platinum, but kung taga-province ka naman, go for the titanium. Ngayon, kung hindi ka pa nakakapagtabi ng 25,000 pesos, which is napakalaki para sa medical expenses, pero meron kang 1,300 or 1,500 that can help you multiply the amount through MaxiCare eReady. Para sa'yo to. Nasa description ang link to purchase online.